Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change local time on your Slack. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your Slack software, or just go to any of your browser and go to Google and search for Slack. After that, just go to the website slack.com, and after coming in this page, you're gonna see my workspaces after logging in. And after that, you can just launch any of the workspaces. I'm gonna launch this one. Then just give it a few seconds. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser. And after that, it will load the workspace successfully for you. And after that, on the left hand side, you will see a nav bar. And at the bottom, you'll see your profile icon. Just click on that. And after that, you'll see Preferences. Just click on Preferences. And after clicking on Preferences, what we'll see is on the left hand side, you'll see Language and Region. Just click on that. And after that, in time zone, you're gonna see set time zone automatically. If you select this option, you cannot change your time zone. To change your time zone, you must uncheck this option. And after that, the drop down below will be allowed to change. Now you can click on the drop down below and change the time according to your needs. For example, I'm gonna select Kathmandu and the time zone will change to Kathmandu. And basically that is it. And basically, that is how to change local time on your Slack account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.